Hi kiddos! Before we start my vlog, this was filmed like a couple weeks ago, actually more like a few weeks ago, but since then the United States, not just the United States, but a lot of countries have been fighting against racism and police brutality, and I've been right alongside them. I wanted to quickly introduce this video by saying that I sincerely hope that you're having conversations with your family members. There are so many ways to support the Black Lives Matter movement. You don't have to donate money, but what you can do is inform yourself of what's going on, educate yourself, learn, watch documentaries. I've been really vocal about this, especially on my Instagram. And if you're a really old subscriber of mine, you would know that I actually made a Black Lives Matter video when I first started my channel. I privated it because I feel like my thoughts were just so jumbled, so I didn't like how it was filmed, but I've also learned a whole lot more since that video. I'm speaking from more of an immigrant point of view. I'm learning right there with you. I just wanted to say that if you are Black and you are supporting me, I want you to know that you matter to me. You always have and you always will, and you will always have a person to go to if you ever need anybody to talk to. Please do not hesitate to DM me. Your life is so precious and you're so loved by so many people, and I know that's really hard to see, but seeing all the protests and everybody trying to fight for your equality, which seems like such a simple concept, but for some reason racist white people just can't comprehend. This segment of my vlog is not about them. I also don't want people to ignore what's happening. I know that not a lot of people are, you know, vocal or political or anything of that sort, but right now really is your time to really dive in and understand that this isn't just about being political. This is about being a human being and understanding that Black people have been so looked over and there's so much pain. If you can even just talk to your prejudiced cousin, somebody who is discrediting the Black Lives Matter movement, I really sincerely hope, like I said, that you are talking to those people and you're trying to make them see what this is all about. Also, to the Latino community that follows me, I got a few messages saying, well, what about us? What about our struggle? This isn't about comparing struggles. This isn't about who has it worse. That is probably the most ridiculous thing I have ever heard. Just because we have our struggles, it does not mean that we can't fight for another person or another community of people. That seems really selfish to me, and so I'm asking you to look outside of yourself, outside of your bubble, outside of your family, and to understand that this affects anybody who feels really deeply for the Black community. I know there's a lot of deep rooted racism in our community. We need to be the ones who change that. Our grandparents, anybody who's older than us, most of them do have so much history for being colorist and racist, and without even knowing it, without even thinking twice about it, because they think that because they're Latino they can't be racist. I'm asking you to kind of switch that mindset. In the description I'm gonna leave some information for you. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do. I'm sharing every single day resources, links, donations, or just like really helpful things that we can look at while this is all happening. I'm telling you right now, this is not something that's gonna stop. I've always been very activist driven. It's just my platform never focused on that from the get-go. I wanted to focus on women empowerment, but with that I'm also wanting to empower Black women. So it's like I have to welcome everything that comes with it. This isn't me saying like popping in for a week. This isn't just for show. I'm always constantly trying to incorporate these types of moments of history in my platform, and I'm trying the best that I can. In my description and as well as in a pinned comment, I'm gonna put resources for you to either donate or, you know, do with that what you will. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I love you so much, and please remember and know that Black Lives Matter. Oh, wow. Are you, is this your place? Here's a cute little run through. I actually have a kitchen. Bless me. And there's bread. Would you like a croissant? Lots of cabinets. I said cabinet space. We have a lot of window. Love a good window moment. Oh, bathroom is on this side. Boom. Boom. Great. Let's see if you get more of a feel. But yeah, so there's the front door, and this is the living area, and then here's bedroom. Walking. I do like the doorway. The doorway is dope. Like, it's thick. It has width. And then the 1 bedroom. I'm thinking of putting the bed here, have that space open for YouTube, a desk. Come here. Oh, don't be shy. And she's in round 2.
Yes.
Round 2.
We back at it again. Less than a year.
I know. Look at me go.
Look at us.
Wow.
Movers. Well,
look at change.
But I moved.
Yeah, I had to. I need a big space. Yeah, and we got my couch. It's just gonna be a blast.
A lot of content.
Wow. We got the dresser and the couch upstairs in some boxes. Cyrus packing up the rest of my kitchen.
Hey.
Yeah. And we're just taking random stuff upstairs at this point because everything gotta go. Everything gotta go.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Keep cupcakes. Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse, don't forget to RSVP. Think about how the polar bears are running out of ice. But hey, this photo got a lot of likes. Get down, but don't feel down. This is why
The last bit. Almost done.
Yay.
I just have to clean.
Actually, having been too bad. We're really strong.
We are.
We're marvelous.
We are.
Little better. Dusty. We got.
Oh, wow. This feels so surreal. I feel like I just moved here. But it is time. It's time for a new place. It's time for new beginnings. I'm 25. Stop that.
We milk that cow. Moo. Moo. How does that work? I don't know. Wow. Yeah. Fun. Successful. We did it.
All right. Apartment tour. It's so messy.
Got the nuggets.
We got the wings. We're drinking beers. Oh, I'm vlogging this. So. Come on over. So celebrations have begun.
Wait, cheers.
Get your beer. Cheers to 25 and new beginnings and
new places
and
new heights, literally.
new
You're
heights,
higher. You have
new
a better
floors.
view.
Probably gonna get a fish if we're being honest. They die.
They die.
Yeah, fish.
All my fish died.
sleep from your eyes. Supersize your vibe. Wake up, check your phone. Wake up, check your phone. Smoke till you feel numb. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check, bomb. Dial the tone. Drink until it feels right. Drink until it feels right. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check your phone. Wake up to the American dream. Cherry Coke in the bathroom of a club. Influence you.
Hey guys.
Influence me.
We
Under the
moved
influence of
today.
my own anxiety.
And
Check
now
your
we're
phone. Get some new clothes. Not sure where to begin.
We don't do anything.
That's Robin, 96, 97, even 99.
We are team brothers.
Become a DJ. Try and fill the void inside. I'd be lying if I didn't say that sounds nice. Wake up. Check your phone. But the batteries died. Wake up. Check your phone. Brush your teeth.
I'm drying my flowers.
He's here because he helped set up the couch. Okay?
Yeah. Cyrus' friend, okay? Like, let's not drag anybody here, okay? We are safe. We've been quarantining, okay? He's okay. He's fine. He has his mask.
Told you, come
Yeah.
for her, I'll come for you. That's all.
Pussy ass boy. Wow. Look at me couch. Look at me couch. Aww. It's comfy. Ooh, she's plush. We like her.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get into something tame on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing inside